This is me testing out a new dashcam, and this is a quacker's duck trying to commit suicide. I had to quickly get out the way, and it's all recorded on the products I'm going to show you today. Navitel have kindly sent me the R2 and R5 dashcams to review and compare, the R2 being the lower cost one, the R5 slightly more expensive. In the box you get almost everything you need to get started. You get the camera, you get the power cables, you get the attachment to the windscreen, but what you don't get is a memory card, so you'll need to make sure you've got a spare micro SD card. Both have very simple menus. It only takes a few moments to get set up, and for the most part you won't need to adjust anything other than the date and time. It does beep a lot though, so you might want to turn that off, and when you put the SD card in you'll want to format it so it is ready to use. The R2 has a standard suction mount, the R5 has this sticky mount, and this is one of the key differences because that mount is actually a GPS module. It will record the position while it's also recording video. The R2 shows what the camera can see, the R5 will show you your miles per hour because it's using the GPS unit. It's got a 170-degree view angle, whereas the R2 has a 140 view angle. In reality, that doesn't make too much of a difference in my experience. You can see the R2, you can very clearly see the full width of the road, you can see the number plate. I would say the R5 picture quality though is a little bit better. The colours are truer to life and you do get a slightly wider view. But overall, if you're not too fussed about the GPS, the R2 is a great option. If you like clear, concise reviews, don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button. So you can see now we're on the move, both cameras performing well, and again you can see the colour difference. The R5 just has slightly better colours with the buildings, with the cars. But the important thing here is that you can see what's going on, and even on the motorway both cameras get a really good wide field of view showing multiple lanes, so if anything happened that would be recorded. They both have microphones on board, so let's take a listen. Now it's worth just reminding you that the R5 is a little bit closer to the sat-nav, that's why that was perhaps a bit clearer. The important thing about the microphone is that if you're in an impact it would record the time and, in the R5's case, the location of that impact because you would hear it on camera. You can see the R2 in the bottom right has the date and time only, incorrect because I forgot to set it. If we swap to the R5 you can see in the bottom left the R5 in white is, I've added that. All the orange text is there by default and it's using the GPS information to record where we are and the speed we're going at. So that's very handy. If any incidents happen you can see a date and time. You can also go to the memory card and grab an NMEA file. This is a file containing the GPS data. You can see they're named the same as the video clip, so each video clip has its own file allowing you to easily see the coordinates. Now I say easily see, this is what you actually see if you open it up. But don't worry, there's a website that offers a free mapping service, so you grab your file, you go to this website and upload it, GPS visualizer, and when you click map it, it will plot it out onto a map. Now it's only a short section because that's just the section of road that that particular bit of recording relates to. If I open another one and map it, you'll see another section of road. So it's a great way of pinpointing where you were when certain incidents happen. If you want to learn more about these, I will put a link in the description below. Thanks for watching, I'll see you on my next video.